Is your Hyundai IONIQ 5 key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are a dead battery, synchronization issues, or a faulty proximity antenna. We'll walk you through the most effective solutions. First, try replacing the CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob using a small screwdriver. Remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert new battery positive side up. Snap the fob shut. If that doesn't work, you may need to resync the fob with your car. To resync your key fob, enter the vehicle with the fob, turn the ignition to on without starting the car. Then press the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 3 to 5 seconds until the horn beeps or lights flash. If issues persist, it could be the proximity antenna that detects the fob for passive entry. Problems here might need a dealer visit, especially if error codes like DTC B1A00 appear. Consider using the Hyundai Digital Key app as an alternative to the physical fob. Remember, battery replacements and resyncs solve most issues, but antenna problems often require professional help.